Hey guys, and welcome back to Open Source Academy. And today I am back again with another video. And in this one, I will try to show you guys how to start a new project. And I will also try to break down a little bit like the groupings and try to make sure like you understand a little bit of the groupings on how to group and whatsoever. So when you want to start a new layer, you just come straight to that paper, just click on that paper, then you'll be sent to a new page. So this is a new page. So right now I will be using a square. I just love all my settings here. It's selected, and this is selected. I even selected this one. So you just draw like just a normal square, just like that. After that, you can just click here just to drop it immediately. Just click there, then drop it immediately. Let's say this is square 1. So we can just click here to change the color, and then we go to here, then we close that one, we click here, then we draw another square on there. Then we can just want to drop it, just select this one, click shift, move arrow up just to select the one on top. You click there, then you can write a square. Now you can just start to insert the colors. So as I have already said on the previous video on Synfig Studio, you just hold this create button, you put it inside of this one just to notify this belongs to this one. How do I actually know like this right angle thing belongs to this one? Because it is selected from here. So when I select square 1, then this right angle belongs to this square. So I have just to take it, then I put it here. So I'm pretty sure there's a couple of things that you did notice, which last time you had a couple of questions on. So if you click on this, you'll see it will select my square, and here I'll have my properties for my origin. But the moment like I click on my square, so now the properties have changed, because now I'm looking to the properties of the square as a folder, not as a square as a region or a square as an outline. So now anything that I decide to change here, it will just change the entire square. I hope you do understand. If I want to change a color, I'll just have to come straight to open right there, then I'll come straight to my region, then I'll come here, then I change the color to whatever color that I want. Let's say I want it to be like this, then I click OK, it closes like that, then the color is changed. But the moment I'm in my square, I cannot change the color. I can have like other options. For my square, and you already know like I can move my square using the green button in between it, and also this side I can use the green square in between it. So I think this is a basic of it. I know like the first time I started like to do cartoons or anime, I always wanted to create something. That's one thing that I've been rushing for, to create something, and that's exactly what I will be doing next time. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next video. Feel blessed.